Working with other CAD programs and other file types is easy within Fusion 360. In this lesson, I will demonstrate how to upload and export files into and out of Fusion 360 and what types of files are supported. First off, to upload a file into the Fusion 360 environment, I'll open up the Data panel. Now, I'll navigate to the project where I intend on storing the file. Once I'm in the project, I can use the Upload button to start this process.
In regard to CAD files, Fusion can support nearly every type of 3D CAD file, from SolidWorks, Creo, Inventor, CATIA, and NX, as well as neutral file types, such as Parasolid and IGES. Fusion 360 can import it all.
Fusion 360 also has the ability to import 2D file formats, such as DXF. I will demonstrate the upload process by uploading a SolidWorks part file created within SolidWorks 2020. Once I click the Upload button, I will verify the location of the Fusion project where I intend to keep the imported file. Then I will click the Select Files button. I will then navigate to the location where my SolidWorks file is located. You can use the File Type filter to limit your selection. In this case, I will upload this single SolidWorks part file, but you can also upload an entire SolidWorks assembly. If you do plan on uploading a SolidWorks assembly, make sure that you also select all reference files associated with the top level and sub-assemblies. Now that I've selected my SolidWorks file, I'll click the Open button, and then I'll click the Upload button to finish the upload process. The Job Status window will remain open while the file is being uploaded. Now that the file has been processed, I'll close this window. The uploaded SolidWorks file is now visible in the Data panel. I'll double-click this file to verify that the part was successfully uploaded. Now that I have the SolidWorks file within the Fusion 360 environment, I can leverage this data for other projects. Exporting files out of the Fusion environment is a very simple process. I'll open the aluminum connecting rod design from this project to demonstrate this process. Once a design is open in Fusion 360, simply use the File pull-down menu and then select the Export option to start the process.
The default file type is the .f3d format.
This is the raw Fusion 360 format. This is a useful format for archiving Fusion 360 data or sharing CAD data with other Fusion 360 users. But most Fusion 360 users will export their CAD data to neutral file types, such as IGES or .sat, otherwise known as ACES. Once you've chosen the desired file type, then choose the location where you want to export the file. And then finally, click the Export button. That's it.